JM.
Alejo, pass, pick and roll was seen. Stolen, Aguilar, has the BS. Down to Matsuo. Reggie points off his own.
Reggie Matsuo.
Get out, step back. And it's
Free Kawa Hayan.
defense coming from Reggie Matsuo as he receives that pass for three.
3 points, Reggie Matsuo.
With another steal. But again, each two showing great defense. Matsuo winds off.
3 points, Reggie Matsuo.
Walking up inside the Sosa gets that.
That's in for Jay.
Joshua all the way again. 2 seconds in this first half. And Sosa again open.
JM Versosa.
And Sosa goes.
JM Versosa.
Gets the board. Oh, intercepted. Another slip for Reggie. Matsuo winds off.
Reggie Matsuo.
Here's Morata to Drake on the attack. Squares off, short slap shoot. As JM Versosa gets that easy now for Sanita 3, Versosa finishes. Versosa off the leg. Finish two with another outlet. An outlet. Aguilar.
Basket is good for
On that block. Pass down to Versosa. Spins. Puts that automatic penalty situation. Morata on the attack. Good Pinoy step inside.
Three-point shot in this ball game. Reggie on the attack. Whatever scores. Reggie Matsuo on the kick out. Here's more. Tightly guarded. Sights and lays it off. Scores. Here's Aguilar.
JM Versosa goes all the way.